Hello from Halong Bay.
Alright, we're gonna get on this tiny boat and they're gonna transfer us to the big boat, I hope.
We're starting to see some of the boats. So some of the boats get to dock up at the port, and then the majority I think are out here and kind of tender back and forth. So we're starting to see some of the boats that are parked out in the lagoon.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, what do you think? Really pretty.
Nice.
Holy cow. Cruise there. Hello. Oh, how are you? Oh, thank you very much. Oh, we find our name, I think. Oh, how nice.
Hello, xin chào everyone. Welcome on board. Yes. So one more time, my name is Tony. I'm your tour guide today. For the tour, everything is included except the drink from the bartender. In front of the restaurant is the swimming pool, also the jacuzzi. This afternoon, if you don't want to go for swimming, you can use the swimming pool here. And you know the best place to see the beauty of the bay is on the top deck. Right? So later on, we will serve you the lunch, and it's time to, after the lunch, we check in the room. And for the first activity, we'll be ready on the first floor around 2:30.
Oh, wow, thank you.
What do you think it is? What, Shrimp Beach? Yeah. It reminds me of something, but I can't think of what. It's like greens, carrots, sesame seeds, and a shrimp.
Oh, those look good too. Little maybe fried shrimp? I'm not sure, but they're like breaded with a little like noodly, crispy thingies. It's good. Wow.
What is it? Can you tell?
It almost tastes like it's like a cookie. It's got a cookie flavor. It's weird, but it's good. What do you think it is?
Beef. I thought it was a bone
Or something.
I think it's like scallion. I told Andrew I'll try it, but he can have most of it.
What is it?
Oh, I thought you just said. It's tuna. Steal all the broth.
What is that?
I have a feeling it's the like mushrooms from earlier, right? Food just keeps coming.
I was just gonna say the same thing. The food just keeps coming.
Like watermelon, pineapple, dragon fruit, and a big slab of butter.
No, it's ice cream.
Is it? It looks like butter.
We're debating whether this is butter or ice cream. So I'm gonna be the guinea pig. It's bizarre because it is definitely ice cream, but it has like the total consistency of butter. It's very creamy ice cream. It's good. Oh. Alright, we just wrapped up lunch. It was our first meal on board and it was very good. Very filling. They said leave room for dinner because it's going to be even bigger. I don't know how we're going to fit. But we're going to go check out the top deck and then head down to our room because it is ready. A little hotter out here, huh?
I think that's our room.
Which one? Oh, our bags are ready. Hey, that's nice. We're really close to the
food.
All right, let's do it. Aww. this warrants a room tour. Welcome aboard!
Welcome aboard and welcome to our room on board Genesis Regal Cruises here on Halong Bay. So we booked a Superior King room because that's all of it what was available when we booked a week ago. So it is an upgraded suite, not that much upgraded. It just means we have a little bit more space than the junior suites, which are on the first floor. We are on the second floor, room 206. Let's check it out. All of the cabins on this cruise have a king size bed. This bed looks so comfortable. It has one of the best views in the whole world, but I'm pretty excited to get a good night's rest. We're a little bit jet lagged. There's side tables. There's a whole wardrobe that I'll show you in just a second. You've got this beautiful bench to either sit and relax on or maybe unpack on. On this side of the bed, they have complimentary water bottles and tea, and they even have a tea kettle underneath, so if you need hot water for that tea or maybe just a nice cup of hot water after a long day out in the sun, I don't know, maybe. They do offer that in the room, complimentary. And then laying in bed, there's a good sized TV. I don't know why you would watch TV when you have this beautiful view, but if that's interesting to you, which honestly it might be to us later tonight when it's dark out, there is a nice TV overhead right above the window. All right, let's check out the wardrobe and then we'll go check out the bathroom. When we walked in, Andrew thought this was the door to the bathroom, so he was pretty surprised when we opened it and it was a wardrobe. But plenty of space to unpack. If you're on for 2 nights, you might be interested in unpacking. If you're on for only 1 night, might not be worth it. There are only 4 hangers in here, so if you're gonna unpack, bring more hangers. Down below, we have a mini bar, a safe, and black life jackets. I've never seen black life jackets before. One thing when we got on the boat, there was absolutely no safety drill, no safety instructions of what to do. So Andrew and I have decided if the boat's going down, we're just jumping off the balcony. Again, if Andrew thought this was the bathroom, he thought this was a window, which makes sense because it looks like a window covering, but it's actually our bathroom. So there's no bathroom door. This is the bathroom door. Sounds like we're really chugging along out there. Okay, so there's this gorgeous bathtub, claw foot. Truly, they look like claws for feet. Really nice looking tub, and of course the best part is that there is a second picture window right out to the ocean, or right out to the bay. I guess it's not an ocean. Oh, that's what it is. They're selling snacks.
Hang on, but. Hello.
Our room tour was interrupted by a woman outside in a very small boat selling a bunch of snacks. Anyways, let's finish off the room tour. In the bathroom, next to the clawfoot tub is the sink, which has a ton of amenities. It has a hair dryer, so that's great. They even provide slippers or shower shoes if you need them. I won't be using those, but we've got them. Q-tips, a toothbrush. Like you've probably heard me say in several videos now, everything over here in Asia, they're super focused on dental hygiene because everywhere you go, there is a toothbrush and toothpaste. You've got nice Genesis Regal mugs, and there's some more soap here as well. So some hand soap, very cute, very nice. And again, this green color is just pulled in from the room into the bathroom. It's really pretty. Everything in here is very pretty, very well done. They do provide towels. It looks like we have 2 hand towels and 2 shower towels. I'm just showing you everything that's in the bathroom. So some towels, the toilet. I think this is to be used as a bidet. Looks like what you use in the sink. I don't know, it's very confusing to me. One thing to note is that this bathroom is pretty large. So it is the length of the room plus some. The clawfoot tub is actually out where our balcony is. So the bathroom is very large, very spacious, and very bright because of the large picture window, which is fantastic. The last thing in the bathroom is the shower. It's a nice glass shower. As always, waterfall rain head and removable handheld washer. This seems to be standard now everywhere we go, which it is fantastic. So it's a good size shower. It's kind of an odd shape, but it's a good size. And it's got this glass So you can see the view as you're sailing and showering. Like I mentioned, there is a huge clawfoot tub in here with a second picture window looking out across Halong Bay. It's a perfect place to relax at the end of the day, and the view is unbelievable. For being such a small ship, these rooms are exponentially larger than any cruise ship room we've ever been in before. There are only 20 rooms on board, which means maximum there's gonna be about 50 passengers at one time, which is great because they have a ton of activities all day, every day. She's back. So the smaller group size just really helps those move swifter and everybody gets to enjoy. So it's really, really nice. But the size of this room, like I said, it's gigantic. If you are traveling with an even larger family, our room is actually a connecting room to a second bedroom over there. So you could have 4, 5, or maybe even 6 people in one room. One of the signature features of all 20 rooms on board this ship are the balconies. So not all of the cruises out here along Halong Bay have balconies, but we picked this one specifically because it does, and we love sitting on our balcony and watching the water go by. Let's go check it out. It's about as much as I can open it. It is a floor to ceiling window right here. And I will tell you, I was a little bit confused because it's a window, it's not a balcony. But I see the balcony door behind Andrew. I got nervous for a second. I was like, how are we supposed to get outside to those beautiful chairs? Let's go outside. Check out these views.
Yeah, that is really nice.
This boat is 3 stories high. So on the first level are all of the junior suites. The second level are the family and superior suites. And then the third level is kind of where you can hang out. They have lounge chairs, a bar up there. So because we have an upgraded room, we are on the second floor. The first floor is very close to the water. But this is great for being able to see the scenery and really just enjoying what Halong Bay has to offer. If you enjoyed this room tour, please stick around as we're gonna have a full ship tour and share all of our activities that we do every single day aboard this 2-night, 3-day cruise. And as always, leave a comment below if this was helpful to you or if you have any questions. Please like, subscribe, and make sure to follow along for more amazing adventures. Let's go!